Hi, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the door lock assembly on your LG dishwasher. You might need to change this part if you notice issues like door won't latch properly, won't stay locked, or the dishwasher not starting. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's jump right in and get your dishwasher back in top shape. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a multimeter. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your dishwasher or turn the breaker off. And just to be on the safe side, turn the water supply off. The door lock assembly not only latches the door, but also ensures that the PCB won't start the dishwasher unless the door is locked. So if nothing happens when you press the start button, check the door lock assembly. It's located on the outside of the dishwasher's cabinet at the top front. Open the door and locate two mounting brackets at the top. Remove two Phillips screws from the brackets and pull the dishwasher out. Set your multimeter to continuity Wi-Fi sign. Insert the meter probes into the red and black wire connectors on the right side switch. With the door closed, you should read continuity and hear the beep. Open the door and the meter should show an open circuit. That tells us the switch is good. Repeat the procedure with the second door switch. If both door switches are good, test the harness for continuity. To test the harness, pull the dishwasher out and turn it to the left to expose the main PCB. Using the flat blade screwdriver, release two clips and pry the PCB up and out. Turn it over and place it down. Unscrew the Phillips screw and remove the metal cover. Locate the plug WH4. Unplug it. Set the multimeter to continuity Wi-Fi looking sign. Make sure the door is closed. Check continuity between the pin 1 red and pin 2 gray, and then between pin 1 and pin 3 violet. Having continuity will indicate that both switches and the harness are good. No continuity, you've got a bad harness. We had tested the switches earlier. Open the door. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take a couple of screws out from under the top and slide the door lock out. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the connectors. This is the old door lock assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the connector plugs onto the new door lock. Install it in place and secure it with two Phillips screws. Install the dishwasher onto the counter and secure it to the countertop with two Phillips screws. Plug the dishwasher in, make sure water is open, and report to your spouse of the great success. Great job restoring your LG dishwasher. You didn't even dirt your fingertips. We hope this video made the process clear and straightforward for you. We would love to hear how the repair went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you still need a replacement door lock assembly or any other parts, remember that you can find them easily on AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days, so your appliance will be up and running again in no time. Thank you for allowing us to assist you, and we look forward to being part of your next DIY repair journey.